on, suckers? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. Look, you try to do one thing nice, right? You sit there and you're like, hey, she needs a new grill. Hers is smashed up. How did it get that way? Who knows? One of life's great mysteries. But I can replace a grill. That's easy. It's so easy. Is it? Is it really that easy? Well, let's find out. Check it out. So I bought this new grill for my girlfriend's CRV, and I painted it all up. It had the chrome that I needed. It was an OEM direct replacement, but they only had the one available in gray. But come on, a little bit of spray paint, a can-do attitude, you can make it any color you want. So I painted it up. What I didn't realize at the time was that it came broken. Look at that. It's missing a whole corner. Where is it? I don't know where it is. It's not there. So what I have to do? Well, I gotta steal parts. I have to cannibalize, or can, if you know what I'm talking about, if you will. So now my plan is to take the old grill and repurpose the chrome for the top here, clean this up, tape it off, paint it, make it look a little bit better, and then reinstall it on the front of the car. And I have to do this once the sun goes down. Because if the sun goes down, I'm going to run out of light. Suckers. Stay with me here. When does that ever stop me? Swingers do it in the dark. You know what I mean? I got lights for this. It's okay. We'll make it happen. Stay with me. Nope. And then we'll hit it with some black and try to rejuvenate this trim as much as possible. Now the cool thing about painter's tape is you really don't have to be like professional with it, thank you. Especially on plastic pieces, because if we grunge tape it, whatever you like, you can just cut it up and tailor it to fit. Dogs are cool. I love dogs. If you guys don't know, Millie, my princess, she's not here right now. But I like dogs. Cats, not so much. Not so much on the cat front.
This is in case you didn't know.
Huh?
I said this is in case you didn't know. Useless information.
Anyway, dog person. Not a cat guy. Cats are, oh, fuck me. I still gotta do the thing. I can't put that in the video.
What do you have to do?
I still gotta take this fucking screw out. The nut plate's stuck.
What are you doing with that knife?
I'm gonna cut things. Okay, so like I was saying before, you can grunge tape this all you want, because then you take a sweet little razor blade here. This is a knife. For those of you who didn't know, you're welcome. And we're going to go ahead and cut the trims out here to make sure we find our shapes and we get the tape as tight as we can over the things that we don't want to tape or paint. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, because I'm retarded, I need to cover this. So we're going to do this. Got it. 3, 2, 1, take 2.
I want to grab some real quick.
Zach's going to grab something real quick. All right, cool, awesome. Anyway, like I was saying before, now that I have everything taped that I needed to be taped, I'm going to go ahead and use this sweet handy-dandy knife here. Kids, don't try this at home without adult supervision, or if you're an adult, best of luck, don't cut yourself. So we're just going to come out here.
Actually, I think I saw Tatiana going down here with her parents. So, I think...
didn't work, but you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna work a little more smarter. Oh gosh, then harder. I'm gonna use pliers and just do it reversed. Alright, after a reminder setback, cut my finger. That'll happen. I'm gonna paint it now. I'm using Fusion in 1 paint primer, 5 times stronger adhesive, no peel guarantee, satin black. By Krylon. You're welcome.
Nice gray sweatpants.
Okay guys, so we got everything painted. Let's go ahead and we're gonna install this chrome piece here, take all our tape off, and get the grille installed. So let's just... Wait a minute. Alright. You see here, you see how these silver notches don't line up with these holes? This trim doesn't fit on the grill. Alright, so I got an option. This job can't get any worse until it does, but I think I'm gonna cut it. Let's cut it. Alright guys, and so after a quick use of the Dremel, I've cut out the insides and all the tabs, but I kept the screw holes, so we should be able to put this in and see how it comes out. Fingers crossed. If not, we buy a new grill. Okay, so I was able to salvage this. I'm actually I'm pretty happy how it turned out. It turned out pretty good. So here's where the new one that I bought, as you can see right here. Come over here. This is the corner that was broken in the box. I don't know what I can do, but I'll probably end up keeping this for the chrome accents just in case the other ones break or anything like that, or I need to use them and I pull them off just like I did here. But I ended up having to do a little bit of cutting because this is a newer mold than this one here. This is the original, but I was able to make the original work, and I got everything back on it, and I think it looks pretty good. As you can see, turn that there. Yeah, there we go. So that's the new grill going on the Honda. Pretty exciting. Able to get it done. I'm gonna go ahead and install it now, and I'll show you guys when everything's in. Alright guys, so here is the new grill on the Honda, and I gotta say, I think it came out pretty sweet. I know this took a while, and I ran into some bumps, but it's okay to suck. You know, just don't give up. I got more I gotta do on this. I'll probably end up replacing a headliner, maybe doing a couple other things. I got a surprise in store. Pretty excited about the surprise for this. Yeah, glad you guys came along for this. It was like one mess up after the other, but we got it done. I'm excited. It looks good. It looks complete again. It doesn't look like it's missing pieces, and it's a nice black now, so it kind of transitions well into the car. Like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. And guess what? I'll see you next time. Oh, don't worry. I haven't forgot. The Integra's still right here. It's about to go under the knife. The knife. We're gonna take it apart. All right, we're gonna take it apart. We're gonna put. As always, guys, I love you, and I will see you next time. Beware.
The Jigglypuff.